Hello everyone, my name is Nikola Djordjevic, I come from Serbia. I'm working as an MPI project manager at Elementor. I've been with Elementor for almost 3.5 years. Before Elementor, I was able to acquire a bunch of experience in the customer experience field. I progressed eventually to the managerial roles such as team leader and project manager. What my day-to-day looked like when I was a Tier 2 team leader, mainly meeting with my agents on a daily basis. I work with them on their complex issues, caring about their well-being, also communicated things with the other managers, and working on processes and projects mainly to improve the overall customer experience we provide. But in my new role as an MPI project manager, I do manage projects, work on the outstanding tasks, meet the stakeholders, but at the same time I do inform the CX department about the all important changes that affect them. I was mentioned as a superstar in the CX all hands meeting by my ex-manager Ron. It felt great to be recognized in such a manner. Well, to make the communication more effective, I do always advise my agents to put themselves in the shoes of the customer, but at the same time, do not take anything personally.